Honda had silently lifted the curtains from one of its most anticipated motorcycles from recent years, the 2026 CB500 Super 4. Yes, this presentation took place on 19th of September 2025 at Chongqing Motor Show, China. This launch is particularly significant because it revives the legendary CB Super 4 name, a model line that left a lasting impressions on riders in the 1990s and early 2000s. Styling-wise, the new CB500 Super 4 draws heavily from Honda's rich heritage, their visual cues borrowed from Honda's upcoming CB1000F. This careful blending of modern engineering and retro aesthetics shows Honda's strategy of appealing both to nostalgic riders and to a younger audience who crave classic looks with modern reliability. Under the tank lies a brand new 502cc liquid-cooled DOHC inline-4 engine, designed to meet stringent emissions regulations in Europe and Japan. It delivers around 80 horsepower and comes with Honda's second-generation e-clutch system, an assisted clutch technology that makes shifting smoother and easier. The chassis setup is straightforward, yet capable. A steel frame using the engine is a stress member, an inverted forks at the front, a rear monoshock and an aluminium swing arm. It's a package designed for user-friendliness rather than raw aggression, making it suitable for riders of varying skills levels. In China, the CB500 4 will arrive in spring 2026, followed by the CB400 Super Sports in Europe later in the year. Alongside the CB500 Super 4, Honda also surprised the audience by unveiling the sporty CBR500 R4, sharing the same new inline-4 engine and second-generation e-clutch. His fared sports bike offers a fresh option for riders who want performance with everyday usability. Honda hasn't confirmed exact specs, but early estimate suggests it will also produce around 80 horsepower, positioning it as an accessible but exciting middleweight sport machine. Visually, the CBR500 R4 carries a sharp and aggressive looks inspired by the latest Honda CBR in the Asian market. Its wide headlight dominates the front fairing, while clip-on handlebars are mounted below the triple clam but in relatively comfortable position. Unlike a pure RR race replica, the bike is tuned for real-world sport riding, sports enough for weekend thrills, but comfortable enough for commuting in longer rides. Mechanically, the CBR500 R4 comes with premium equipment such as inverted KYB forks, electronic throttle and 5-inch TFT display. It will be available in red, silver and black color options, all emphasizing its modern sporty character. Manufactured in China, the bike is also expected to be offered in a 400cc version for Japan and Europe, mirroring the CB500 or CB400 dual approach. Together, the CB500 Super 4 and CBR500 R4 showcase Honda's bold return to the inline-4 mid-capacity market, giving riders both retro charm and sporty excitement in one package. All thanks and huge shout out to Moto Saigon and Grepedia.